Terell with MSNW, and today we're going to learn how to plow a parking lot. I have never done this before, first time. I'm having the expert, Byron Cooper, show me what's up, so here we go. So I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay.
It's real basic. There's the power button.
Okay.
Powered up. That's down pressured. Leave it off, we don't need it.
Okay.
This controls the wings. So you can either use it as a push box or you can use it as a plow and you can push it up to curbs. I would suggest just using it as a push box. Other than that, metal controller, super easy.
It's like a video game.
Exactly, left, right, up, down.
I feel like I need this seat like 5 inches taller, because
We can get some phone books for you.
So should I curve it now to get that last part, or what do you think? Is that good, do you think?
You just want to be at the same angle as the curb you're plowing into, so I think you're good.
It's very specific. Okay. Okay. I did like one line of a parking lot. This is a huge parking lot. So I'm very glad that we have experts like Byron on our team who are able to get this done, because you for sure need an expert to be plowing snow. So thanks, Byron. Appreciate it. MSNW, we'll take care of it.